Hello, I am Keen. Today we will listen to a story. After listening to the story, I will ask some questions from that. You can answer that in a word or more. This will improve your spoken English and memory strength. Let's begin. Meet the Johnsons, a cheerful family in Willowy. Dad, Mr. Johnson, fixes cars with a big smile at the local garage. Mom, Mrs. Johnson, is a teacher who loves reading stories to her students. Lily, their caring daughter, helps at the animal shelter after school, making furry friends happy. Little Timmy, the playful son, dreams of being a firefighter, always ready with his toy fire truck. Evenings at the Johnsons are filled with Dad's car tales, Mom's funny student stories, Lily's animal adventures, and Timmy's giggles. Together, they create a cozy home where love, laughter, and dreams bloom like flowers in their backyard. This is the end of the story. Now, I will ask some questions out of it, and you can answer that in a word or more. Let's start. What is Mr. Johnson's job at the local garage? Does Mr. Johnson not work? No, he works fixing cars at the local garage. What does Mrs. Johnson do for a living? Is she a housewife? No, Mrs. Johnson is a teacher who enjoys reading stories to her students. How does Lily contribute to the community after school? Lily contributes to the community by helping at the animal shelter after school. Who is Timmy? What is Timmy's dream job? Timmy is a playful son of the Johnsons. He dreams of being a firefighter. How does Dad share his experiences when he comes home? Dad shares his experiences through car tales when he comes home. What stories does Mom share from her work as a teacher? Does she share about her school stories? Yes, Mom shares funny student stories from her work as a teacher. What is Lily passionate about in her free time? Lily is passionate about helping at the animal shelter in her free time. How does Timmy bring joy and laughter to the Johnsons' home? Does he want to be a comedian? Timmy brings joy and laughter to the Johnsons' home with his playful nature. He doesn't dream to be a comedian. He dreamed of being a firefighter. What kind of tales do Lily's adventures at the animal shelter involve? Is Lily happy with her work? Lily's adventures at the animal shelter involve making furry friends happy. Yes, she loves her work. How would you describe the atmosphere during the evenings at the Johnsons? Do they feel bored at the evening? No. Evening at the Johnsons are described as filled with love, laughter, and blooming dreams in their backyard. They don't get bored. That's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you loved the video, you can give us a like and subscribe to the channel.